Silver against US dollar this week has lost its value. The week started with a bullish candle around 50.15 as support level. The return back up, but then strongly bearish candle has entered on the market formed on the Tuesday, and then the price reached this area of support 47.93, where the price has stuck for 3 days. We can see that the price could not manage to go further down, but it has bounced for 2 days trying to move higher, but also unsuccessfully could not manage to reach 50.15 a resistance level. Weekly time frame shows us a strong bearish candle with a large wick on the upper side, a smaller wick on the lower side, which means there was still selling pressure here from this area of resistance around 52.77, but there is also bullish pressure pushing the price up, not allowing the price going below this area of support. Monthly time frame is still bullish oriented. There is still a strong wick on the upside, but we have one more week until the month closes, so we'll see how the price will behave around this area of support, where we can see that on the daily time frame the price could not manage to go below this area of support for 4 days in a row, which means a strong support, and also there is a potential that the price could continue to rise in value next week. But it's very important to see how the Monday will open, and will this support sustain. If this support breaks, then we will see the price going further down, where the next levels could be around this area, around 46, a support level where these resistance levels, support levels are located, where we can see the open and close, and also the lower of these wicks are located. So let's go wait for the Monday to see how the price behaves. Still strong selling pressure, not allowing the price to reach this area of resistance, suggesting there is still selling pressure, strong one, but also the buyers are not allowing the price going down. So this is the fight between the buyers and the sellers around this area of support. So we need to see who is stronger, where the breakout will happen, on the bullish side or bearish side. So feel free to check the premium analysis below in the description if you would like to receive the updates during the week when there is a bullish or bearish breakout happening, and what is the direction after the breakout. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.